Hi Rockstars, I'm Aly, your Rockstar Bar Girl, and welcome to the Rockstar Bar Girl Tip of the Week.
I'm a rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a motherfucking rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a rock star.
For my first official tip of the week, I have decided to use this gorgeous teardrop bar spoon as my magic wand because I would like to impart upon you, to bless you all with a new bartending related tip every single week. I did this for a while on my Instagram. I really liked it and I decided to pick it back up for YouTube and make the videos even longer and more informative. So tune in for blessings. Speed is something that you guys ask me about quite often. Being fast is definitely important, but I see a lot of bartenders that confuse being fast with being frantic. Sometimes when we move quickly, we make mistakes, we're less graceful, and we might inadvertently do things that slow us down. So it's really important to understand that just because your movements are rapid doesn't mean that you are actually being a fast bartender. What's the difference between fast and frantic? Sometimes they might look the same, right? Someone who's buzzing around, doing a lot of things, moving very quickly, it seems like they're being fast. But upon more careful consideration, if your rapid movements are causing you to get in other bartenders' way, get in your own way by maybe dropping things or putting things back in the wrong place, if your rapid movements are actually not translating into faster service, then you aren't actually being fast. You're just moving quickly. To better illustrate that, I'll give you guys some examples. Every bottle behind the bar is in a place behind the bar for a reason. There's an organization system to the bar. There are general standards that most bars follow. Making a drink is often muscle memory. So if you keep your bottles in the exact same place, you never have to look around for anything. You can just reach to where it should be and pick up the appropriate bottle. So for these reasons, bars are organized and every bottle has a place and a reason for that place. So if you pick up a bottle to make a drink, and when you let go of that bottle, you didn't put it back where you got it from, you are not actually being fast because you've just screwed everything up for either the bartender that's working with you or for yourself when you go to make the next drink that calls for that ingredient. But if you take the 2 seconds while you're making your drink to put that bottle back where it belongs, even if that means stepping away or reaching down in a fridge or what have you, if you take the 2 seconds to do that, then you not only don't interfere with the next bartender who might need that bottle, but you don't mess yourself up when it's time to make the next drink that calls for that ingredient. So it might seem counterintuitive. It might seem like the quickest thing to do would be to just let go of the bottle and continue making the drink. But it's not. You'll tell yourself that as soon as you're done with the drink, you're going to put the bottle back. But you won't, because now you have to collect payment or start a tab, and now that person wants to look at the menu, and now someone else just sat at the bar, and now you completely forgot about the Malibu that's in your well that's supposed to be on the back bar. And now 2 minutes later, while you're explaining the different fish entrees to your guests, the bartender at the other end who's looking for the Malibu is slowed down in the making of their next drink. You making that drink 2 seconds faster, you serving that person 2 seconds faster, caused a minute of delay for the next bartender because they spent a whole minute looking for Malibu. You know, so that's real life. That's what really happens when you are working. There are a lot of things going on. So if you are moving so quickly that you're cutting corners, then you're being frantic. You're not actually being fast. You're not speeding yourself up, and you're not speeding up service overall for the bar. The thing about fast versus frantic is that a lot of it is, one of those easier said than done things. Obviously, you're not trying to move so fast that you make mistakes necessarily. You're not trying to move so fast that you're skipping steps or cutting corners. So it's really important that you look at yourself, look at yourself honestly as you're giving service, and look for those telltale signs. Are you making mistakes at the worst possible times? Are you not completing tasks? Do you find yourself going, oh shit, a lot? These are some signs that you are being frantic and not fast. Now, how do you fix the problem? Probably the most effective way is to actually slow down. It seems really counterintuitive, but the busier it becomes, the slower you should go. And I don't mean speed necessarily. You should still be moving. You should be keeping the rotation at your bar running, never letting anything back up, refilling your fruit before they run out, washing your dishes before they're all dirty. You should always be moving. But the busier you get, the more careful you want to be with every step. Because the busier it is, the bigger a deal it will be if you do make a mistake. If you have to focus on just one task, then do that. Communication is key and will help you in this circumstance. Let your fellow bartenders know, hey guys, I'm 10 tickets deep. I gotta just focus on service. Can you take care of all of the guests? Communicate with your manager. Hey, I'm really swamped back here. Can you jump back here and help me make some drinks? Can the servers pour their own wine for a few minutes? Communicate with the guests at the bar who are staring at you and trying to flag you down. Hey guys, here's a menu and a glass of water. I'm sorry I can't take care of you right now, but the next bartender will be over in just a second. That way you don't have to worry about it looking weird or coming across as you not being able to handle everything. But you're not doing yourself any favors by overwhelming yourself or allowing yourself to be overwhelmed by your situation. If you like this video or found it helpful, click the thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them for me down below. And of course, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at rockstar_bargirl and check out my website, therockstarbargirl.com. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, Rockstars.
Rockstar.